Have you ever pondered over the steps required to create a Facebook account? Well, hold on to that curiosity because today we are diving into the world of social media to unravel exactly how to do that. First things first, open up any web browser of your choice. Type www.facebook.com into the address bar. Upon pressing enter, the home page of Facebook materializes on your screen. Right there you see a form titled Create a New Account. Now the real action begins. Start by typing your first and last name in the designated boxes. Remember, using your real name is crucial here, as Facebook is all about connecting with people you know. Next, there's a box asking for your mobile number or email address. This is where Facebook will send verification codes, so make sure you have access to whatever you put in. After this, it's time to create a password. A word of advice: make it as secure as possible. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to outsmart any potential hackers. Now, select your birthday from the drop-down menus. This helps Facebook protect young users and show age-appropriate content. Then choose your gender by clicking on the appropriate option. Finally, to complete the process, click on the green Sign Up button. You'll receive a verification code on your mobile number or email. Enter this code when prompted, and voila, you've successfully created a Facebook account. So, to recap, here's how you create a Facebook account. 1. Open www.facebook.com on your web browser. 1. Fill out the Create a New Account form with your first and last name. 1. Enter your mobile number or email address. 1. Create a secure password. 5. Select your birthday. 6. Choose your gender. 7. Click Sign Up. 1. Verify your account with the code sent to your mobile number or email. By following these 8 simple steps, you can join the world's largest social network and start connecting with friends, family, and interests all over the globe. Remember, the world is just a click away with Facebook.